Hello everyone, my name is Neha. I'm a student from Karunya Institute of Technology and Science. In this program, we create a simple game using a C where the snake moves continuously on the screen which eats to grow and the game ends when it hit the wall or itself. The program which begins by including the necessary header files for the input, output, graphics and the Windows functions. We then defines the important variables such as the snake's coordinates, its length, the direction of the movement and position of the foots. Inside the main function, the graphic mode is initiated to create a game window. We set the initial position of the snake in the center and generate the first food at random locations. The game which runs inside a continuous loop which acts as the main game engine. In every cycle, the snake is drawn onto the entire screen using simple rectangles or the lines. Based on the key pressed W, A, S or D, the direction of the movement changes. The snake's head position updates every frames while the reset of the body follows the previous coordinates, giving the effect of the movement. The program which checks if the snake's head touches the food. If it does, the score increases, the snake length which grows by one segment, and a new food is created at another random point. Next, the program which checks for the collision conditions. If the snake's head touches the one boundary of the screen, or if the head collides with its own body, the loop which breaks and the game ends. The game over message is displayed to the user. Finally, after the game loop ends, we close this graphic mode and exist. Finally, overall this program which demonstrates the key concepts such as an array, loops, dynamic movements, keyboard handlings and collision detections and a simple 2D graphics all combined to create an interactive and fun snake games. This is the code which I've used for these things, and now the output of this is as like this. Thank you.